Hey everybody, today I'm going to give you a quick rundown of how to do the next common assessment task, which is on motion in the real world, and it's pretty good. I've made 3 videos here for you to watch on Newton's first, second and third law. I'm now going to click on here to show you the assignment itself. Okay, click on there, it opens up. Okay, now when you've finished it, I want you to upload your assignment to Learning Areas. Download as a PDF and upload to Learning Areas. You're going to look at Newton's 3 laws of motion in this. I don't mind, within reason, what you choose. Check with me first. Whole heap of suggestions here. You might like to look at cars. You might look at amusement parks, different sports. Pick something that you like to do. It's much easier if it's something that you enjoy. Now, you could make a poster, a model, or a prac report video. Most of my students last year, in fact, all of them chose to do a Google slideshow. They just thought it was easier. So these are the things you must do in it. Number 1 is state Newton's 3 laws. Then describe how they are shown in your chosen study. So if it was cars, how does Newton's laws apply to cars? Second part is to give me 5 safety features or practices that enhance the Newton's laws. Then explain each feature. Explain the link between how that safety feature, so think of seat belts, how does a safety feature like a seatbelt work? Which of Newton's laws is it working with? How does it keep you safe? And then the next part is evaluate the effectiveness. So I want you to tell me the advantages and the disadvantages of wearing a seatbelt. So one of the advantages would be, stops you going through the window. Disadvantage, you're going to get a bruise. Evaluate. Which is better? Broken skull, maybe some cracked vertebrae and a bruise. It would be really advised, if you can, to find some statistics that talk about your evaluation. Okay, and then bibliography. It's worth 5 marks. Do the bibliography. Okay, now you can see here I've just scrolled down. Make sure you scroll down and look at your marking rubric. This is what I'm using to mark it. So check when you've finished. Have you stated the 3 laws of motion? Have you comprehensively related it to your choice of study? Have you listed 5 safety features? Have you related them, each of them, to the laws of motion? Have you evaluated? That means the good and the bad of each safety feature. And I want statistics. Find some data to prove how many lives, for instance, have been saved by people wearing seatbelts. It's quite clear. Okay. And then the last part is on scientific communication. So that means you use scientific language, you provide relevant images, your information is well organised, readable, and then you have given me the 5 references in the correct format. So if it's from the internet, you need to tell me what date you accessed it. Use your diary. There's a couple of pages in the back of your diary that tell you how to write a bibliography. Okay, and if you happen to get to the next day and you've forgotten, I don't know what my references were, use your history. Go back into history through Chrome, through your browser, and find out what sites you visited. But it's easier if you just write them down from the start. Okay, now in Classroom, to make my life easier, and that makes your life easier because then I'm not bugging you, when you go into here, I want you all to go into here and then you'll come up with another box that I can't see that says add. So you will be able to add in a slide. Add in Google Slides here. Oh, hang on, I've got to do this one. Pointing doesn't help. You can't see that. You need to add in on the next page after this a slide show. And I will be able to see that, and it makes my life easier. Because then I can check it as you're going and I can make comments. And if you need help being steered in the right direction, I can do that. If you don't share it with me, or you write it in something that I can't edit as you're going, like Keynote, then I can't help as much. Please use Google Slides or something that you can share with me so that we can get these assignments amazing. I want good assignments, great assignments. I got some amazing one last year. I want you guys to top it. Okay, good luck. Ask if you need help.